Welcome to the video demonstration of reports at the institutional level in Schoolbag application. The report module is a vital module of Schoolbag which generates numerous reports that includes fee details, administration, student details and many more by a button click. It provides the management with detailed information about your institution. The first report is the walk-in report. This report tells the management about the institution popularity in their surrounding area. You can check out the walk-in report date-wise. The date-wise option details the number of enquiries happening between the specified dates for that particular grade. This report comes in two modes, tabular and graphical. By analyzing these reports, the management and the administrator can decide upon their future business marketing plan and advertisements. The second report is registration report. This report displays a list of registrations processed in the institution. You can view the registration report using two ways. You can have the details of any particular registered person by selecting either the student registration number or his or her name. The date-wise option details the number of registrations done between the specified periods. A print button is available for taking the printout of the said report. The third report is student admission report. The student admission report of any institution is displayed using any of the options, be it date-wise or admission number-wise. The date-wise search option displays all the student details irrespective of their class and section who have taken admission between the start and end date. A print button is available for taking the printout of the said report. Admission number-wise search option displays a particular student details. The next report is strength report. This report displays the strength of the student in your institution for the particular academic year. After selecting the academic year, it displays the total number of students in each grade and team, both in tabular as well as in the graphical mode. The print option can be used for taking out the printout of the strength report. Next report is student report. This report displays a particular student details by name or admission number option or all the students of a particular grade and team using the option. Let us select the grade and team option to generate this report. After selecting the grade and team, a list of students along with their details is displayed. The printout of the report can be taken using the print button available here. Next report is attendance report. The day-wise or period-wise student attendance report of any institution between the specified dates is generated by using the search options available, such as whether you want the student attendance or staff attendance report and the mode of attendance, that is day-wise or period-wise. After choosing the search options, select any one of these two options, admission number-wise or grade and team-wise. The admission number-wise option will display a single student attendance details, whereas the grade and team-wise shows the attendance of all the students for the specified time period. Similarly, you can view the teacher attendance report by selecting the teacher name from the list box. Next report is student-wise fee report. The student fee report can be generated and reviewed for a specific time period for any academic year. To view the fee report, first select the academic year, start and end date and then choose any one of these options. Student admission or name-wise or receipt number-wise or grade and team-wise. Let us select the grade and team-wise search to view the fee report. After selecting the grade and team, a list of students of that grade along with their fee details is displayed. The printout of the report can be taken using the print button. Next report is financial report. This report displays the revenue income statement generated by the institution between the start and end dates. The report displays the fee element, the paid details and the waiver amount set for that fee element. A print button is available for taking the printout of the said report. Next report is hall tickets. Hall tickets of all the students of a particular grade and team can be viewed using grade and team option, or an individual student hall ticket can be viewed and issued to the concerned student using student individual hall ticket wise option. The hall ticket printout can be taken using the printout button available here. Next report is grade. A list of students with their marks will be displayed in either brief or detailed way when the grade and team and the examination is selected. The brief way generates the grade report of all the students displaying the marks obtained in all subjects for the selected examination. The detailed way generates the grade report of all the students along with their personal details. There is an option called View Examination Details besides each entry. Consolidated report details the marks the particular student got in each subject for all the examinations he or she wrote in the term. The printout of the report can be taken using the print button. Next report is certificates. Certificates like bona fide, study and conduct certificate can be generated and issued to students by just entering the valid admission number of the concerned student. The printout of the same can be issued to the student by using the print button available here. Next report is the timetable report. Grade and team and teacher's timetable report for any institution can be accessed using this report. To view the grade and team timetable, select the grade and team option. Similarly, the teacher timetable can be viewed by selecting the teacher option. The last report for this institution is Logs Report. This report gives information about the users logging into the application and the tasks performed by them in tabular mode between the specified dates. The administrators can take out the printout of this report and can analyze the report further. It helps the management and the administrator to keep track of the users and their tasks performed in the application, thus avoiding unreasonable results or activities. These are some of the reports customized for this institution. We can add additional reports as per your institution need, as we believe in making sure that the institution get a management system software that fully satisfy their need to create an edge in the education system of the future. Thank you. For further information and request of demonstration, please mail us at info@schoolbag.com.